Violators of the Dangerous Dog Act could face jail time up to 6 months, as well as run the risk of being fined. However, local attorney at law Anslem Clouden is calling on Parliament to review the Dangerous Dogs Act. He says that the act violates the constitutional protection as guaranteed in respect to right to own property.
Because the owner of a dog has certain rights, and you cannot seize his property without due process. And due process would mean, one, you have to secure a warrant of seizure. And he must be given an opportunity to be heard before the dog is disposed of. This guy in St. Paul said that his dog was seized and put to sleep. Well, that is a very serious incursion on his right to property. It is my considered view that this act needs to be reviewed because it is too far-reaching, overreaching in scope.
One of the precautions of having such dogs include owners being in possession of an insurance policy of no less than $250,000. Clouden says there isn't any insurance coverage for dogs here in Grenada.
They don't provide insurance for dogs here. You see, what I think the draftsman had done in this place without even properly advising the executive and parliament, even insurer is joined as a co-defendant. First of all, joiner of insurer as co-defendant. But listen to the penalty sections. An insured who refuses or neglects to provide the particulars required under Section 4 commits an offense and is liable on summary conviction to a fine of $20,000. For a dog can cost $20,000. Now, we have to be practical, you know.
However, Clouden is of the belief that if any dog deemed dangerous were to escape and injure someone, then compensation should be awarded to the affected person.
Now, I am not saying that it is not necessary to have certain insurance policies for certain dogs. Because if you don't have your dog in a safe place or have it in a kennel, it escapes, and as a consequence, it interferes with someone, it bites them. Of course, you have to pay damages for personal injury to that person.
Akisha Felix for GBN News.